Hi, Jared Lawrence, Forms Product Manager, here once again to show you just how easy Quick is to use. Today we're going to talk about favorite forms. Do you have to use the same forms over and over but don't want to search for them each time? I know I wouldn't want to. That's why we created the feature called Favorites to make this easier. Let me show you how it works. From your dashboard, go to Search Forms, and you can add forms in from the All tab or followed companies. I'll just do followed companies today. I'm going to go to the companies drop down. I'll select the company I want. We'll just do Pershing. And it's pretty simple. Next to each form record, there's a little heart. If you select that heart, it's been added as a favorite. Let me just add a couple more. I'll add the 529 plan account application and the accommodation transfer form. Now that I've hearted them all, if I go to favorites, all three forms are there. Pretty easy, right? And if you ever want to get rid of one, just unselect the heart. It'll still stay here right now. However, once I go away from this tab and come back, it's gone. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.